We have addition of polynomials. How we add polynomials? We have to combine the like terms. In this example, we have given like terms in the same columns. We have -8, and if we don't have here anything, it means it's 0. So we have 0 plus -8 is still -8. We have to copy. Next, we have y and 2y. So we have the same variable, so we copy variable, and we have to add the coefficients. If we don't have coefficient, it's always indivisible 1. So we have 1 plus 2 is 3, positive 3. Next, we are going to next variable. We have y and the power is square. So we have to, and under -3y squared we have empty space. It means here we have 0. So we have -3y squared plus 0 is still the same number. So we have -3y squared. And next we have the same variable with the same power. So we have to copy the variable and the power. And when we don't have coefficient, it's always indivisible 1. So we have 1 plus -2. 1 plus -2, we have to keep the sign, the largest number. 2 is greater than 1, so we have to keep the sign of greater number. So we have to keep negative sign. And now we have to just subtract from the greatest number smaller. So we have 2 minus 1 is 1. We can rewrite this solution because we never write the 1. So we have like -y cubed minus 3y squared plus 3y minus 8. This is my solution.